How to find your credit card utilization chart on your phone. Here we go. Okay, once we come in here, we're going to dive into Credit Karma. We look at our two factors, 816 and 817. We come right down here to where it says credit card utilization, top left box. We're going to select this. And this is where you can actually see the line chart. You can see that it's 0% reported utilization. Even though I did report $231 of balances, my overall total credit limit is $246,000. You can see 0 to 9% is dark green. That's excellent utilization. 10% to 29% is good utilization. Then you have 30% to 49% is where you start entering the warning track. That's where you pop up on radars to becoming a risky borrower, and that's when your credit score starts to get penalized. And then 50% utilization and higher, that is where you take big penalization. That's where you absolutely will lose points, anywhere from 50 to 100 points on your credit score. This is why when you see my rule of 803, 80% of your credit cards should report $0 balances every single month. This is the reason why I teach people to pay their credit cards every single week to zero instead of waiting till the end of the month. Because if you spend for 30 days, there's a high probability you may spend more money than you realize or more money than you made. But if you spend at the end of the week and you realize how much you spent at the end of the week and versus how much money you've made, you may then realize that, hey, I overspent this week, so next week I need to tighten up that budget. You overspend for 30 days. That's a bigger mess to clean up and a lot harder to fix. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you have more interest in learning how the credit system works, check out the school community. I'll make sure to post that link below or somewhere in my bio.